Thank you for tuning in. Dr. Kehinde Elisha speaking here, founder of MP Certification Academy. We offer PMHNP, FMP, AGMP, AGACMP, and NCLEX exam review. Today, I want to demonstrate for you what psychotherapy question really look like. First of all, you have to be in the right review, get the right content in for this to even make sense. There are no strategies without content, absolutely none. To reach us, nurse-to-nursecoach@gmail.com or call 347-901-6037. Now, 58-year-old man who recently lost his job reports feeling depressed. 58-year-old man feeling depressed, keywords. And without purpose, keywords. He states that there is no point going on now that I have nothing to live for. Going on now that I have nothing to live for, that's a red flag. The provider recommends a therapy developed by Viktor Frankl that emphasizes finding meaning. Listen, finding meaning, even in suffering. What is the main goal for this therapy? Look, these are the things you cannot miss. These are things you must connect with. After studying the content, you will now be able to apply it though. Now, if you don't have the content, there is nothing you can apply, right? You can only tap into what you have stored. If you don't have anything stored upstairs, there is nothing to tap into. The brain is like a computer. We load more content in it, we are more likely to pass the test. If you're struggling to pass your PMHNP, FMP, AGMP, NCLEX, or other exam reviews in nursing, you need to reach out to us. www.npcertificationacademy.com or nurse-to-nursecoach@gmail.com. Listen, exam is not just about mastering questions. You got to master your content. Know your content and you would never regret it. Now, what are the options for this question? A, resolving unconscious conflict. B, enhancing interpersonal effectiveness. C, discovering meaning in one's experiences. D, challenging cognitive distortions. All right. Drop your answers in the chat. 2 seconds. You're going to have 1 minute for the exam, I get it. But we have to keep it moving here. So the final answer is going to be based on what you know. We know that the focus of this question is talking about logotherapy. With logotherapy, we have to do what? Discover meaning in one's experience. You want to discover meaning. You want to find meaning and purpose to life. C is the final answer. I hope you got it right. If you didn't, that is what it takes to pass psychotherapy. You have to pass every domain for your PMHNP, AAMP, and ANCC. You have to pass every domain for AGACMP, FMP, AGMP, as well as NCLEX. So no strategy without content, absolutely none. Let me quickly take you through our website in case you want to connect with us so you can see how to easily navigate it. So much for your patience. Now we are on our website. It says www.npcertificationacademy.com. For now, we have NCLEX exam review on here too. You either go through the top of the tab or come down here and scroll. And it's going to tell you FMP, AGMP, AGACMP. You click through it and it's going to take you to the right place. First of all, let us tell you a little bit about us. So we are a student-centered community. We offer review twice a week, and you can also attend every session that we offer twice a week for some courses, 4 times a week for other courses. So you are free to attend all you want. All right. Now, in addition to that, we don't offer a 2 or 3 day review. We do offer it for those that want it. We offer like minimum of 4 days review, but it's not very recommended if you have not really studied. If you have studied, yeah, that will be okay. Generally, we recommend that students stay in our review for up to 6 weeks, 6 weeks to 8 weeks, depending on what your level is. Now, examination is not, a simple exam like that. It's a national exam. Usually they have more than 6 test versions. So you really have to know your stuff because you have no idea what you're going to get. If your friend gets something, and I know students do talk, and you think you're going to get the same thing, I'm sorry, you're going to be very disappointed. If you think there are Quizlets circulating and you want to bank on that, you're going to be very, very disappointed. You have to soak yourself into the content first, or we soak you into the content. With our weekly teaching, we make sure you see everything twice. You go 2 rounds, and then by the time you reverse back, you are ready to knock those questions out. You will not freak out. Your anxiety will be less just because you know your content. So look, maximize your scores with personalized, expert-led review sessions designed just for you. Complete coverage of all domains. There is no topic will be overlooked. We do have our own review book that we normally use. We also integrate a purple book and some other review books as well. Flexible scheduling that works around your life. We have multiple times that you can actually come to class. So it is now fixed. So that means you have a chance to be in class without problems. critical thinking skills taught for better problems. So now we apply critical thinking into our case scenarios. We do also bring in clinical simulation. That way you don't have to think too hard on the exam. You would have prepared yourself before you go in. We also teach you how to read questions, how to manage your time. And most importantly, we actually also focus on students with, mild autism and students that also have ADHD or ADD. So whatever your issue is, we're going to help you. We're going to support you in a way that you have never been supported before through our method of teaching. What is our method of teaching? When you come down here, we're going to tell you the method of our teaching. Okay, simplification. We oversimplify concepts. We break down stuff in a way for you to remember. We're not trying to impress you in any way. We're just trying to teach you for you to get it. Repetition, a lot of repetition. We incorporate regular practice tests. Quizzes also are all included in just that one package. Another thing is retention. We teach students memory aids such as mnemonic or visualizations to help retain important information long term. Success. We walk into that exam with confidence. Dr. Kehinde Elisha will, show you how to do it, and you're going to nail your test. And we also have some reviews here. Make sure you do your research, read reviews, go on LinkedIn, check us out, ensure that you are signing up for the right course. We have a lot of board exam review out there. You just don't want to fall into the wrong group. But anyway, that is it for me today. If you have any questions, please let us know. That was my recent visit to Walden University. I really hope to attend more graduations, and it was such a nice and wonderful moment. That's Dr. Rabi right there, and that's that's Dr. of course Hope right there, and a few more students. But anyway, we are NP Certification Academy. Goal is to continue to help NPs across the United States and even outside of the United States. So to find out more about us, just visit www.npcertificationacademy.com. That is www.npcertificationacademy.com. We also have office hours. You're also free to show up and click on the Zoom link below, and you will connect with us. To click, I didn't show you the booking, but it's pretty easy. Every area here is clickable. You place that cursor on it, and it takes you right there. All right. Have a wonderful day, everybody.